And now, Israel, Krav Maga. Today, we're here to experience Krav Maga, the Israeli self-defense system widely regarded as the most effective hand-to-hand combat method in modern era. Born in Israel out of necessity, Krav Maga is physical, instinctive, and relentlessly effective. The same system trusted by the IDF, the Israeli Defense Force, and elite units around the world. This weekend, we celebrate Hanukkah. We remember the miracle of light and the extraordinary victory of a small band of Maccabees, Israeli warriors, roughly 1,000 determined warriors who defeated a massive Greek army of 40,000 against overwhelming odds. With unbreakable spirit and unwavering resolve, they prevailed. That same spirit of resilience, courage, and triumph lives in the people of Israel today. Surrounded by hostile forces intent on its destruction, Israel has never sought conflict. Yet time and time again, through skills, determination, and divine blessing, it emerges victorious. Krav Maga embodies that spirit. It teaches us not to be aggressors, but to be prepared, to neutralize threats quickly and decisively, so we can return to lives of peace. In a moment, you'll see demonstrations of IDF-trained techniques, defense against unarmed attacks, knives, guns, rifles, blunt weapons, real-world solutions designed to protect life. If you want to walk confidently in this world, knowing you can protect yourself and your loved ones, Krav Maga's for you. It's not about being the strongest. It's about being the smartest, the fastest, and the most determined when it matters the most. Curtains. Rifle defense. If you don't, not gonna shoot them.
Magazine, barrel, stock, barrel, hope, attack, rack.
There's a time for everything. There's a time to shoot, there's a time to use your rifle. Now we're gonna work defense against the rifle. Aggression. Gun defense. Two muggings. How to defend against a gun. Knife defense. You're walking around and here comes a thug. This happens all the time. It's happening in Europe, it's happening in Israel, and it's happening here in America. How to take down the person that stabbed and control him. Super important things to know in life, because you never know when it's going to happen. There's been a lot of Muslim attacks in our country lately and around the world. So now, hand-to-hand combat. Defense against a knife. Stick defense. Gotta be prepared for everything. Guns, knives, sticks, open hand. fist fight, average things people do.